name's Vicky. We are going to be doing a little bit of high impact today, but please take it at your own level. I will give you the adaptions. We're going to spend a nice time warming up, and then we're going to go into the accumulator, which is adding one exercise at a time, so we accumulate the intensity, getting that all over body workout. Right team, let's march. Nice big march, abs in, chest up. Lovely. Let's get them arms swinging. Excellent. Take it to a light jog or leave it at the march. Beautiful. Give me a narrow squat. So the heels are hip distance apart. Your butt is back. Your abs are tight. We're not going too deep. We're in warm up. 4 more. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back to the jog or march. Nice and light in the landing. Let's bring that heart rate up. Let's get warm and ready to work. Lovely. Give me those squats again, narrow, a little bit deeper. Excellent. So the body's back. The weight's into the heels. Don't let them knees push forward over the toes. Send your hips back and down. 4, 3, 2, half jack, right and left. Up and reach. Excellent, really extending the body. Tapping the foot side to side. Now either leave it here or take it to the full jack. So you've either got full jack or you're on the adaptation of the half. Excellent. Keep them knees nice and soft. Looking good, guys. Let's wide squat. So the butt is back. Excellent. So wide squat. Get your heels outside the width of your hips. Use your butt. Beautiful. 4, 3, 2, back to jack or half. Up. Excellent. Starting to feel a little bit warmer. Heart rate's coming up. Excellent. Give me them wide squats again. So really drive your butt back. Keep the chest up. So remember when we squat, we're into the legs, into the butt. We're bracing the core, and we push your hips back and down. Beautiful. So remember, we don't flex forward in the squat. We use the legs. Use the butt. Looking good. 4 to go. 4, 3, 2. Back to the jog or march again. We're going to start to travel off the spot. Shuffle to the right, to the left. So if you want to keep it low, take it down, make it smaller, or increase the travel. Fantastic. So we can feel now the heart rate's coming up. We're preparing for the work. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it down and give me a kick, kick, kick. Lovely. Chest is up. Lift the knee and strike the foot forward. Excellent. Keep it tall. Keep it controlled. 4, 3, 2. Now right leg, now let's take it back. Back, set up your lunge. Hip distance apart, drop and up. Don't go too deep. Keep your front knee over your ankle, back knee under hip. 4 to go. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come in, set up your other leg. Get the position, then move. Beautiful. Get your set up first. Take your time. Think about the technique, then the depth, then the speed. 4, 3, 2, back to the jog. Lovely. Right guys, we've got the accumulator. Right team, accumulator. 2 jacks. Squat. Let's go. Up, up, wide, squat. Beautiful. Now remember, if you don't want to do full jacks, you've got half jack and squat. Yes, you don't have to take the impact if you don't want it. Choose your level. Nearly there. Here comes rest. Fantastic march. 1 exercise, exercise 2. We've got alternate lunge backs. Yeah, you're going to choose how low you go. Your lunge is back. So you've got exercise 1, which we've just done. Then exercise 2, which is the lunges. So we accumulate. Choose your level. Need to take a rest? Take it. Keep the hydration going. Right team.
Exercise 1.
Here we go. Exercise 1, 2 jacks. Lovely. Get that butt back. Let's get that heart rate up. Looking good, team. Up. Beautiful. Remember your adaptation if you need it, which is your half jack. Squat. So there's something for everyone. Keep going. Beautiful. Exercise 2, straight no rest. Lunging, alternate back. So remember the lunge. Back knee into hip. Front knee over the ankle. Reach it up. See if you can take both arms up. Challenge the core. Looking good, team. Stay with it. So we've done exercise 1 and 2. Rest is coming. Excellent. Jog to rest. Have a look. Exercise 3. Shuffle, run, punch. Shuffle, shuffle, 4 punch. Adaptation. Bit higher, bit slower. So we've got 1, 2, and 3 now. Let's get ready, team. Remember, we've got the 2 jacks. 1 wide squat first. Let's do this. Let's go. Hop. Beautiful. So it's about getting the heart rate up. Using these big muscles. Looking good. Nice. Weight to heels, remember, in that squat. Take the knees. Push the hips back. Keep your abs tight. Nice. Looking good, guys. Oh, it's coming too. Lunge. So this is the low impact. Bit of conditioning. Remember, you're in charge. How low you go. Technique, form first. That's what it comes down to. Keeping that position. Keeping that technique. Looking after the body. Remember, if you need extra rest, just march it out. Number 3, shuffle. 2 shuffles, 4 punches. Stick the butt back. Excellent. Stay with it. Shuffle. Punch. Watch the knees. Don't push them forward. Drive the hips back.
Take a 30-second rest.
Not yet.
4, 3, 2,
Recover. Next exercise. Plank. Bring knees in to forearm. Drop to the knees if you need to. Don't want to come to the floor. Grab dumbbells. And you've got knee lift and push. Yes, you don't want to come to the floor and do your plank. So I've given you options. 1, 2, 3 and 4 now. So you can feel it. 2 jacks and squat. So it accumulates. Gets harder and harder. 6 exercises in total. Just drive it on. Challenge yourself. Remember what we said? If it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you.
Exercise 2.
Looking good. Here's the lunges. Slowing it down. Low impact. Breathe. How are we doing, guys, at home? We okay? No sneaking off to make a cup of tea now. Lovely. All the way. So remember, if you feel you can't maintain the technique, it's getting a bit too much, match it out. Join back in when you're ready. Use your shuffle and punch. Lovely. All the way. Punching. Little bit of calm connection there. Bit of rotation in the body. Looking good. Are you still smiling? Or is that grimace? Gritted teeth. Come on. Let's do this. Feel them calories. So into your plank. Knee to forearm. Too much to be on the hand, on the feet. Drop to knees. Drawing it in. Use your core. Remember what I said, if you weren't comfortable on the floor, you've got your dumbbells and you're pushing up for your knee raise. So there's always options. Yeah? You may not want to come to the floor due to an injury or a blood pressure issue. So choose your level. Recover. Well done. Right, guys, next move. Wide squat, jump. 1 wide squat, 1 jump. Don't want to jump. Wide squat and heel raise instead of the jump. But we've got to start. Exercise 1. Half or full jack.
Exercise 1.
Twice. 1 squat. Let's go. Up. So obviously as we accumulate, gets harder, gets tougher. Feel the challenge. Lovely. Feel the inner thighs working as we jump into it. It's all about pushing the butt back, keep the chest up.
Exercise 2 in 4.
Nearly there.
2.
Now lunge, back lunge, remember. Lovely. Slow it as much as you need to. Catch your breath. Concentrate on the lunge. Get the position. Too much with the arms coming up. Drop them. Concentrate on the legs. Nearly ready to take them shuffles, guys. Few more seconds here.
Exercise 3.
Here it comes.
3, 2.
Shuffle and punch. Nice. Feeling good? Feeling happy? Of course you are. Drive all the way. Lockdown living room fitness. You can't beat it. Come on. You're nearly through this accumulator. Just a few more.
Exercise 4 in 4, 3, 2.
Remember that's your plank. Knee in. Right knee to right forearm. Left knee to left. Remember you can be on your knees. And remember that alternative I gave you. Don't want to be on the floor. Dumbbells. Lifting up. So you're working the shoulder. Raising the knee for balance. Core connection.
Exercise 5.
Looking good. If you've got them dumbbells, take it down, come off the floor. Remember now, we have one squat jump, one squat jump, down with soft knees. Remember, if you don't want to jump, one squat, one heel raise, something for everyone, adaptation, progression. Come on guys, let's get it done. Keep it coming, few more seconds left, recover. Have a look at your last move, exercise 6. Forward lunge, together, jump 180. Don't want to jump. When you get to your second lunge, you can turn and walk. Now that's number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here it comes. Feel it, heart and lungs. Feel the legs. From number 1, 2 jacks, 1 squat, let's go. Lovely. Just driving it through. Smiling all the way. Remember the adaptation if you need it, guys, yeah? Half, drop to squat. You don't have to be jumping. You don't have to be going crazy. Get what you want out of it. Number 2, lunge. Great work. Remember, this is the accumulator. 6 exercises in total. We've done all 6. After all 6, you get a minute off. So that means you're only halfway through the accumulator. We go up it, we come down it. Keep them feet hip distance apart. Use them shuffle runs. So if you're feeling it now, take it lighter. Take the punch. Want to go through a bit lower, a bit quicker. You're in charge. Time conditions. Working at a level that challenges but suits. Come on guys. Let's drive it through. Looking good. Push and push.
Exercise 4.
That's your plank or your dumbbell within. You got your plank, knee to forearm, drop to the knees if needed, or you're taking your dumbbells. You're taking from your shoulders, hammer hold, pushing up. This is number 4. There's 6 in total. You should be feeling a little bit sweaty now. Hope you've got that central heating turned off. Windows open. Excellent. Wide squat jump. Remember, jump's an option. Wide squat or wide squat raise. Yes, if you don't want to jump, lift the heels. Use your calves. Looking good, guys. Let's get it done.
Exercise 6.
Oh, that's 1. Do you remember it? Walking lunge. Jump. After you've done 2, don't want to jump. Walk. Can you keep your hands up when you lunge? Test the core. Gotta love a challenge. Nearly there. Remember, you're earning 1 minute off. Go learn it.
Take a 60-second
Here it comes.
in 4, 3, 2, 1.
Recover, breathe. Well done. Feel the heart going? Yeah. Heart, lungs, cardio training, squats, lunges, conditioning. Brilliant work. Now we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we're going to go 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 with the accumulation. So what was number 6? 2 walking lunges, jump or walk to turn and go back. So you're always doing the lunge in a forward direction. Number 6, rest. 6, 5, rest, and so on. Great work. You've run to the kitchen or the loo. Get yourselves back now. It's time to get back in the work. Don't stand still on this rest, we keep it moving. Right. So remember, we've got that forward lunge. Remember, if it doesn't suit you to keep the arms up, you want to concentrate on a good lunge, slow it down. But you can walk it. It's just about keeping that forward direction. You want to move in 2 places of movement here, forward and back. The body we train 3 ways: forward, side, and back. Recover. I love this at the beginning because it feels so nice. It's like, oh yeah, 30 seconds, and I'm resting. But it builds. We know it builds because we can come up it. We're going back down it. What was number 5? That was the squat and the squat and jump. Remember, if you don't want to jump, you heel raise. So you're on the ball of the feet, just lifting up the heels to bring in a bit of calf work. If you're jumping, soft knees. First you've got your lunge, let's go. Excellent. 2 forward lunges. Arms up if you can. Keep it coming. All the way. Keep them smiles, guys. Nearly there.
Exercise 5 in 4.
Oh, that's that wide squat. Wide squat. Wide squat jump. Wide squat. Wide squat jump. Wide squat. Remember, if jumping's not for you, wide squat with heel raise. Really squeeze the calves here and coming up. Looking good. Nearly there.
Take a 30-second rest.
Not yet.
In 4, 3, 2.
Recover. We got to like the plank work. So remember, in a plank, knee to forearm, be on the knees if you need to. Don't want to come to the floor, wrist, blood pressure issues. You've got your dumbbells, alternate knee lift with a hammer, shoulder press. So the palms face in. But where do we start? Number 6, walking lunge. 2,
Exercise
jump or walk to
6
turn.
in 4, 3, 2.
Come on, team. Look at the bright side. Once we're done with the accumulator, give a recovery and stretch. Everyone's favourite part of the class. So just stick with it. Even if you have to slow it down. Remember, if you are needing to take a rest, don't stand still. Yeah, just keep yourself ticking over. Marching or jogging. Looking good. Wide squat. 1 wide, 1 jump. So we've got a good heart rate. Not as tough as HIIT, but still a good challenge. A nice bit of body comp. That's what we're looking for. All the way, guys. Get ready for the transition. You know it now. That's your plank. Now really squeeze your abs. Doing this plank, squeeze the abs. Bring the shoulders down. Use the core. Make sure your elbows are over your wrist. Your shoulders are over your wrist. You're squeezing the abs. You're engaging. You're looking down to the floor. Remember the adaptions if you need them. They're there for a reason. Do what you need. 4, 3, 2, 1. Recover. Lovely. So what we got that on? Shuffle runs, 4 punches. You're in your living room, your garage, wherever you are. Get your windows open. Have your water close. Get your hydration. Right, team. Number 6. Forward. Walking lunges. Let's get ready.
Exercise
Let's do this. Soft knees. That turn's making you feel dizzy. Step and just gently walk it. Too much with the jumps now. Walk it. Lunge is getting tricky. Make them smaller. You're in complete charge here. All I ask is you give it all you've got and you watch your technique.
Exercise 5.
Nearly there. Transition. Wide squat. And one jump or heel raise. Excellent. So remember, you can be slowing it down. Heel raise. Don't always think that slow means easy. Sometimes by slowing it down, we take away momentum and gravity, and it's pure muscle. Control. Here comes 4. The plank, you know it, to the forearms, or if you prefer, you're on dumbbells. Shoulder press in, hammer hold, knees up, squeeze your core, eyes forward, dropping the weight to the shoulders. Let's do it, guys. Let's get that shuffle run, it's coming next. Then you've got 2 more, then we'll be done, and you'll be feeling good and strong and accomplished. Right, guys, weights down if you want, look for the floor if you're planking. Shuffle, punch. Excellent. So with the shuffles, watch the knees. Bump back. So you're pushing the hips back. Why do you do that? To use the butt and protect the knees. Nearly there. Not yet. It's always tempting to finish early. Breathe. Looking good. We've got to add in exercise 2. Yeah, your knees are soft. Back lunge. Could we do forward lunge? Do back. 3 planes. Forward, side, and back. For an all over body challenge. But remember, we start from number 6. Nearly there. Are you still with me? You've not logged off, have you? Don't leave me now. Let's go. Remember when you lunge, your feet are hip distance. You don't want to be too narrow. That's no good for your stability. Too wide, it's going to pull you out wide. You don't want that. Keep the hips neutral, which means facing forward, not rotating. So you've got wide squat, jump. Can you get to the floor in your wide squat? If not, don't worry. Just wanted to add in an extra challenge there. Always something you can do to make it harder. Remember, if you're not jumping in this one, you can squat, and you can squat and raising the heels. Are you sweating? Oh, you better have me. Plank. So be careful here. Sometimes we hear people suddenly slide back. That's because of this position. Shoulder, wrist and elbow in line. Abs are tight. Remember, if you're not to the floor, you've got your dumbbells, you've got your hammer, and you're lifting your knee. So you're pushing the dumbbells up, so facing in, using your shoulder. Come on, let's shuffle. Oh, you should be sweating now. I am. I walked into this room thinking, oh, it's a bit cool in here. Oh, I'm glad now. Come on. You're so close to finishing this program. Don't let it beat you. Even if you have to slow down, I'll match you out for a little bit. So you can stay with me to the end. Oh. Number 2 is coming. Where are we? Back lunge. We've done the forwards. Back lunge. Remember, too much? Drop the arms. Slow it down. Control. So most of today, it's been body weight. Apart from that alternative I gave you the dumbbells, for those that don't wish to come to the floor and do their plank work. Count to 4 if you can. Hands up. Oh, breathe. Last one. Can you remember what it is? 2 jacks, 1 jump wide squat. Yep. Don't want to do full jacks. Half, half, and squat. So there's always someone for everyone. Adaptation, progression, all the time. Guys, this is your last round. After this, we'll be recover and stretch. Everything you've got now, come on. Don't hold back. Forward lunge, let's go. I love it when I can see the end approaching. Just gives me that little bit of push on time that I need. My legs are feeling it now. Middle jellies, nothing wrong with that. Fatigue equals change. And that's what we're here to do. Change. Even if you're in a maintenance area you're training, you just want to keep ticking over. There's always something there to keep you going. Right guys, squat, squat jump, squat, squat jump. Looking good. Heart rate up. You can always take your arms up. Taking your arms above the head always makes your heart work a little bit harder. And what I said, there's always an extra challenge if you want it. Come on. Don't give in on me. Plank. Take that knee to the forearm. Remember the knee option if you want it. Don't want to be on the floor. Don't want to come down enough. Worried about the wrists. That's why we got the dumbbells. In a narrow stance. Driving it up. Come on. 15 seconds left of this. 15. Stay with it. What do you say? Last time. Beautiful. Weights down. Come up to the floor. Shuffle and punch. You've got the option at home. You've got a pause button. I've not got that. But that doesn't matter. Come on, guys. Work and work. Keep smiling. Keep working. Lovely. Abs are tight. Oh, here's that lunge. Where's it going this time? Backwards. We've done the forward lunge. That was exercise 6. This is 2. Back lunge was static. You can feel the heart rate coming slightly down with this one. He is still working. Big compound moves. Big muscle. Remember, this is your last round. 2 jacks. 1 jump squat. Should we finish strong? Let's go. Up. Say to yourself, you've got about 20 seconds, then we cool down. You made it. Give me everything, come on. Oh, 15 seconds. I can see you still smiling. Oh, lovely. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Come on. To the bell. Recover. Breathe. Well done. March it out and just bring the arms back. I think I might have nearly broke the socket there, getting excited. Hope you didn't bump into any furniture, guys. Always make sure with these home workouts, you've cleaned the area, you've got space to work, consider your flooring, carpets. Yeah, you can often pull on the knees there, drag them. So just be mindful of what you're working on and the space you have. Lovely. Just take the legs wide, just reach over. We just need the heart rate to come down before we go into that stretch. Thanks for staying with me to the end, guys. Now the circle backwards. Lovely. Squeezing into the shoulder blades. March it out again. Lift up. Nice big stretch. Take it behind. Link. Palms up. Just want you to stay marching just for a little bit, because you've come in for quite a high impact move. I don't want you to crash too early. Release the arms, narrow stance. Just think more of a needed. Just pushing back and up. Allowing that heart rate to fall into that safe zone where we can take that stretch, avoid that dizziness from coming down too quick. Couple more. One more. Come up, just hinge off the knee. Yeah, the hips can get tight. Take it out. Soften the supporting knee. One more each side. Taking that balance. Focus on something still to help with balance. Beautiful. Right leg back. Both feet parallel, bend the front knee, lean. And just gently bring the arms up. Don't go too high here, don't stress the back. Concentrate more on pushing that back heel down. Feet are parallel. Release. Step in. Other leg. Come back. Back heel down. This time, reach it round, link. Squeeze your elbows together. Drop the head. Head looks down to the floor. Not too much, just so that spine is aligned with the back of the neck. Excellent. Release from that. Take the balance. Take a piece of furniture if you need to. We're going into your quad stretch. Front of thigh. Be nice and tall. Lift up. Relax this arm. Hold on to furniture. Concentrate on the stretch. If you're really wobbly, just take hold of that furniture, the wall, whatever you need. Lovely. Let's change legs. One stretch at a time. We may have a little bit of a difference. One muscle may be tighter than the other. So we'll just single muscle stretch. Great work, guys. Release. Take this foot forward. Take the toe down. Push the bum back. You don't need to come too low. Just concentrate on lengthening. Just lifting up, coming down. Now don't feel you need to drop low here. That might put a bit of pressure on the lumbar. Just take the toe up and down. Feel the stretch move at the back of the leg. Now leave the foot there, stand tall, come in and change sides. So move the foot down. Feel the stretch back of the leg and start to lift the toe, release. Looking down and slight little lift sometimes of the butt. Just that little push up with the hips. Just give you a little bit more of a stretch. Excellent. Come up. Lovely. Take it wide. Come over and reach for your inner thigh. This is your last one now, guys. Take it to the other side. Lovely. Come in center. Bend the knees, don't stress the legs. Round up slowly, take your time. Head comes up last. Give yourselves a massive clap, guys. Thank you very much. Great work, team. Hope to see you again soon.